Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we have old classic American muscle. Today we have the 1984 Ford Mustang SVO, and this is number 2 out of 10 from Hotwheels the 80s and number 25 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this up. Overall, quite a heavy casting, not gonna lie, just to say that. And yeah, clearly enough you can see that it lacks of details of, yeah, you know what. When it comes to me saying lack of details, you already know what is it about. So yeah, here it is, the Ford Mustang SVO from 1984. Yeah, 1984. And this is a classic one, and as you can see, we've done a review of the purple one, I believe, previously. Hopefully I did, which was actually a non-supercharged, but still, this is not any supercharged or anything. This is just a regular mainline, now in returned and in a different color, just that now it's in black. And it's not bad. It's a metallic black with some like design where you have like silver and green trim, silver and green trim. It's not bad. And yeah, it's not typically a racing livery, so it's like more to a casual livery, I would say. And yeah, overall it's quite an old casting. I mean, it's not typically old, it's just like maybe a year old by now, I don't know. But yeah, the previous older casting, yeah, that was old already, maybe like 2 years or so. But this one's like typically newish old, not too old I would say, but still it's quite in the middle. So yeah, overall very nice casting. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. And yeah, here it is, the Ford Mustang SVO, now returned in metallic black, and overall it's looking very nice. I do really like how it has details right here on the side where it has that livery. So let's start. So first we'll start from the back. We have these massive chrome silver disc rims, which are bigger than the front ones, which are smaller disc rims, but still they are very cool. And yeah, let's start from the livery. Actually, we have a green stripe from the back to the front, and some more like mini silver stripes, I guess, from the side. And there's a text at the door right here. It says Mustang SVO, which is cool. I do really like that. It's yeah, pretty sick. And basically that's it, I think, for the side. You have the the side mirrors right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Side mirrors, not too bad. And let's move on to the front. Now we have the hood. Oh, I should start from the front first. And yeah, disappointment. So I know you guys are gonna say go custom it, but still, for Mattel standards, I mean, no rear lights, no front lights, but they do have the side details. I guess it's fine. It's just I had enough with Mattel when it comes to headlights and rear lights. So no headlights, no Ford logo or anything. I basically don't see a thing at the front because it's basically black. But what can I say? So I'm not gonna focus on the front too much. Let's move on to the hood. So the hood, we do have like a big old silver stripe right here with some mini green stripes right there as well. And yeah, it's pretty neat, very nice. Regular window tint and gray interior. So yeah, gray and black combo, which is not too bad. Here's the other side if you're wondering. There it is. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, nothing on the roof or anything. Let's move on to the back. And yeah, basically the whole car of course is black, and no rear lights, no license plate, no nothing, just that it has like a metal spoiler at the back right here, if you can see it. And you actually have a double spoiler, how I want to say it. One at actually the back, and one more is at the rear window, basically. Oh, I forgot to show the base, luckily. 1984 Ford Mustang SVO, 2011 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Overall, I must say it's quite a neat casting, I'm not gonna lie. I wish to see more liveries of this car being used in the future, maybe like some unique different liveries besides these reused liveries. Sorry. So yeah, hopefully maybe in the future Mattel would, I don't know, maybe step up their game, maybe add headlights soon, who knows. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.